Hey you guys, it's been a minute, but today we're gonna do a full face and I'm gonna try something new. I'm breaking out right here and right here. So I'm gonna take some concealer. I'm gonna place a little dot there and I'm gonna let it dry for like 30 minutes before I do my face. Before I even put like primer on and everything. Like that's how dry it should be. So we'll see how it works. And I'm just gonna start doing my base in a second. And I need to get some more of this primer. I really like it. I don't know, I have like a love-hate relationship with it. Right now, I don't know why I like using this shade because it's not really my shade. But like, it's a little lighter than me, but I guess because the way I use my bronzer, I use a lot of bronzer, contour, whatever you want to call it. It just evens out the foundation really well. So I don't know if that's something I should start doing more often. I should start getting like makeup that's a little bit lighter than me. Not even just makeup, like foundation. Ooh, so I love this little brush. I actually got it from TikTok. Okay, so I have painted my whole face. I did not put concealer. I did not put foundation underneath my eyes because I wanted to save that for concealer. I don't like a whole bunch of product under there because it starts to crease a lot for me. And I'm really prone to creasing. I tried very hard to avoid that. Just gonna blend. You guys don't have to see this part, so I'm gonna skip it. Now I'm just gonna take like my contour stick. I love this stick, it's from NYX. And I'm just gonna give myself some contour. So I am gonna add the concealer for my eyebrows real quick. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna add, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna add setting spray. I'm gonna blend out my under eye and add setting powder. Now that the setting powder is in, I'm gonna do my brows and come back. Before I start adding like some color to my face, I saw somebody say that the reason 2016 makeup ate was because they add no blush, or they didn't add blush. Should I not add blush to this? Should I just add some dark liner and see where it goes, and some highlight? I think I am. So I think I am gonna try 2016 makeup and take that girl's advice and not add any blush. I'm also gonna give myself like a really pale lip. This is definitely gonna get that color I want. I did not realize how often I use this. Why is this eating on me? I'm gonna pair it with this. And I want to give myself a cat eye. I forgot to do that. I just love cat eyes, so BRB while I do that really quick. I hope it doesn't look weird. I gave myself a really thin cat eye because I didn't make my waterline super thick like I normally do. I am gonna finish my makeup by putting this setting spray on first, and then if it looks too oily, putting some setting powder on. And I'm not gonna be cute when I'm spraying it. I'm sorry, I can't look cute. Not even for like a frame. Maybe I'll do it. There you go, that's the fake me out spray. My face dry. Oh my gosh, why do I look patchy right there? I'm about to cry. I'm seriously about to cry. It did. Wow, yay. Oh my god, I love it here.
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing.
Yeah, we're done. Face done. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I did this. I haven't done my makeup, like taking my time with it, because I felt like I haven't had time to do it. But you really just have to make time for things you want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the mini tutorial. Later.